So this is Christmas. This is what? July. No, this is now July. And this tree is in my living room. And that balloon is from Mother's Day. All these things really need to go now. I can't stand to see them no more. Like it then get on my nerve. Every time I turn around and look on them, me get angry. So now me get tired, like they have to go. Like this tree in a July, really a drain my energy in my house. It have to go. Like me get so tired to see it. Every time I look on it, I start get disgust. True. Like what the hell? This is July. What is I doing at my house? July. That's crazy. Like August, September, October, November. Could I keep it for true, you know? Could I keep it up for true?
No, sir, I can't manage it. I'm gonna put it up back to Christmas because we get so tired.
All them something are still up. I ain't even peeped that. Them ornaments over there with the bells.
Then they not come down.
And them the jingle bells and stockings and all of that. That's crazy. Oh, that's a Noel? Jeez, that's crazy.
No, sir. Every time you look on it, no, I will meet up on my life.
Mommy, Uncle, this is a sky.
Yes. I rush on. Yeah. I rush on put it there. And like June, like them I tell me like, that I used to have Christmas tree. And then now it's like it feeding on my brain and now I start get drained. Like it has drained my energy.
A present that's underrated?
A present, yes?
Wow.
After Junine. I think after Junine.
I lie. Yeah. Don't even pay attention to that. I swear. I do never day here. Max is going to come and be a happy man when he see this Christmas tree gone. What's that? You know from when he tell me to take it down? But Toban me. Hey, feel me head coming like mule, you know? Toban, yeah? Yeah. Best. Hold on there. Let me put it. Let me push it up. The bag here was a good investment. Eh? Yeah, I take them down.
You take down everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The bag here was a very good investment. Amazon will buy it pan. Just throw them out in the corner then. Throw them over that side here. Yeah, but what if I think just go in there? You see, you put the flowers in there. Tell you, we might not use a Christmas tree. Christmas tree gone. Ta-da!
Me have this because you have to go sweep out. So.
You go clean.
Me don't have to take down the tree.
I'm here, you. Everything I go to, they go throw in a storeroom. Tired of it. Me not feed up in nothing. This a bag a big like a... You're strong. I have to open it wide. Yes, sir. Yeah, mash up the place. No shoe no the back. Storeroom Christmas tree. Goodbye. Not putting you up Christmas coming.